Stocks finished the day higher, and it's on the back of better than expected news on the employment picture. Jobless claims falling more than expected, and that's giving people some hope that we're still on track in this recovery. Also add to that the trade gap shrinking 14% to almost $43 billion, and that's the most since February 2009. But stocks took a little bit of a hit when we got word that Deutsche Bank is trying to raise as much as $11 billion in a share sale. The bank has yet to decide on the sale, but that brought back those concerns about the lenders in Europe and their need to raise capital. But some say that Deutsche is moving now to increase the bank's stake in Deutsche Postbank. Deutsche Bank has the option to increase its almost 30% stake in Postbank, and now analysts say it may be the time to get Postbank cheaper. So stocks finished higher, but not at the levels that we saw earlier in the day. In the meantime, the top mover in the S&P, that's Adobe. Apple said it's going to give developers more leeway in how they create apps for the iPhone and also the iPad. Apple earlier this year said it would not accept apps made with tools from other companies, including Adobe. So now it makes it easier for developers who use Adobe tools to build apps for the gadgets. But this doesn't mean the web pages with Flash will work on the gadgets. Still, anyway, Adobe climbing more than 12% in trading. But on the flip side, worst performer in the Dow, that was McDonald's. Sales climbing 4.9% last month, but that missed analyst estimates. And the reason, demand came up short in Europe. But before I go, Texas Instruments lowering the upper end of its forecast for third quarter profit and sales. That stock lower in the after hours.